This video is designed to let you know exactly what to expect at any DJ Beachball event and inspire you to go out and have some good, healthy fun.
Okay, there we are. Okay, so right here, this is a fun little game. This is a warm-up game for us to go around. So we're going to do a little spotlight. So we're going to go around the circle.
To the left of the Hollywood sign is one tree on top of the mountain. This tree is called the Wisdom Tree. At the base of this tree is a chest, or as I call it, a wisdom box. The wisdom box is filled with years of journal entries and personal letters inside, from visitors from all around the world. It's rumored that whatever you find and read from within the box is meant for you to see. But unfortunately, after years of use, the original wisdom box fell apart and was removed, leaving the wisdom tree void of wisdom.
Let's bring it in here. We're about to go and make the hike up. We're gonna do a little hands up type thing. Coming close.
We brought wisdom back to Wisdom Tree and had a dance party at the top.
Before we say Wisdom Tree on 3, turn to your left and right and just say, I will not let you not make it up this hike.
Built a new wisdom box, brought the 200-pound chest to the top of Wisdom Tree, and danced to the sunset DJ'd by yours truly, DJ Beachball.
My name is Christian, otherwise known as DJ Beachball. The reason it's called the Wisdom Tree is because in 2007, there was a forest fire, and one tree remained at the top of it. People would write letters up there. They would write personal little journal entries about life, whatever it is they're going through, and they would put it into the chest. The box fell apart and was removed, so there was no more wisdom at Wisdom Tree. So that's part of why we're here today, is to bring this new wisdom box up to the top, to put it at the base of the tree. We're all going to do some journal entering once we get up there, and we're going to have a dance party. So we're going to go around. We're going to introduce ourselves, where you're from, interesting fact, and a stretch.
I am from Connecticut.
Austin, Texas.
New York.
Jersey.
I love riding horses.
My favorite thing to do is to blindly follow my intuition.
I love to travel and meet new people.
So my stretch would be, I don't know, like a tree.
I love life, love long walks on the beach, pizza.
That's right, guys. Get freaked down in there, okay? We're gonna grab these toes. You gotta feel it on the inside. And if it's not tingling, you're not doing it right.
Hello, everyone. My name is Lucky Laszlo, or Jason James, whatever you call me, so long as you call me. I'm originally from Honolulu, Hawaii myself, but now I'm here in Southern California spreading the aloha spirit. About 3 years ago, I met DJ Beachball, my friend, and I've just loved helping him spread all the positivity and good vibes that he always does. I'm just proud to see how much it's come from where we started. I was there originally when Seaball was painting his beach ball head in the garage when we were hanging out all the time ago, so... Well, to be standing right here with all you guys right now is awesome. So thank you all for coming, and I can't wait to party with you.
After introductions, we started up the hike.
Remember, not dying is the first step to success.
You know what, guys? The party is in the back of the bus, clearly. I'm keeping the energy going.
Time got to hammer, right?
I wonder if anybody's ever died up here. Anyone ever fallen off the mountain? Good question.
This guy's fucking savage. Hey, I got you. Just hang on to the chest.
The headsets here are given to us generously by the Wave Sound Disco. Part of that is that we get to support Alma Cares, which is they take music, these same exact headsets, and go to senior living communities and dance with the senior citizens. Really, really awesome.
Keep moving! Let's go!
Okay, listen up! I stayed on this box from all the way up. I've been super inspired by this man right here. Sorry, he believes in aliens. I don't. It's the manpower that can pull things together. And you guys right here, right now, men and women, you're capable of doing anything. Yeah! And that's what I'm talking about. Live up to something that you're inspired to do, inspired to be. I haven't ate all freaking day. I only had a banana and something crazy. I'm dying, but I pushed myself because there's something empowered and distilled in each and every one of you. So be a light. Be that savior, be a hero. Spread the love of Jesus Christ and be who you are. God put a purpose in each and one of, I don't even know what I'm saying, Larry. I didn't even plan this, to be honest. God put me on this tree for a reason. Now go and go do it. Yeah!
We have papers in here for people to write a letter to their selves. I like writing letters for my future self, if you want a suggestion.
Dear Diary. November.
I'm excited to get this dance party started. It's like heavenly up here.
I think maybe just write something to remind myself to be in the moment.
What I want to accomplish in the next year?
My future, man. To beat the stereotypes. Hey, you random stranger. You. Hey. You.
Hey, what's going on?
What do you want to write about? Sometimes you get so caught up in doing so much of this. You know, you should just do it. You know what you're going to write about? Your dreams?
Yeah, I'm going to write a novel. And then I'm going to bury it in that chest. And then I'm going to come back in 10 years and I'm going to publish it. In fact, I'm going to send it to Scholastic. And they're going to publish it. And they're going to pay me $10,000 a day for the rest of my life.
Follow their hearts and their intuition and to align with joy, and that it will never lead them the wrong way.
You're capable, you're strong, you can do anything you want to. The only opinion that matters is God's. Fuck everyone else. Can I cuss? Are you gonna believe that?
Encouragement, believing in yourself, staying true to yourself, and just never giving up. You know, that kind of sappy stuff.
Okay, let's get a circle right here. Circle. Thank you again. Let's give a round of applause for like getting up here. Okay, so a part of this dance experience is start slow, and then we're gonna ramp up to where we're having like a mosh pit, like right here, right? Where we're gonna start slow. It's gonna be like almost like a yoga flow. Right now, just if everyone could, just like roll your neck a bit. We're just gonna slow down a bit and just like take in where we are right now. We're on the top of a mountain with 15, 20, I don't know, 30, I don't know how many people are here, but let's just take it in for a moment. Another deep breath. I'm gonna speed up a little. Just slow here. I'm ready for this thing. Okay, there we go. Okay, so right here, this is a fun little game. This is a warm-up game for us to go around. So we're going to do a little spotlight. So we're gonna go around the circle, and we're all gonna do a little move, and then we just all copy them for these few seconds. So I'm gonna start with this, right? Right here. I'm gonna pass it to my left. Here you go, buddy. Everyone follow him. What move do you got? Here's next. Okay, guys, walk through the space, walk and dance.
A pretty little raven at the Birdman stand, talking about the pop and it was grand. They started going steady and bless my soul. He out popped the buzzard and the Oreos.
Let's get our hands in the air for this drop. If you're a chance, let's get our hands up. Let's just jump a bit when this drop goes. Okay, guys, let's form two lines. This game is the dance runway. We're in that drop. You're gonna got it, Jordy. Everyone, let's round them up. Hands up. Let's get them pumped. You ready, Jordy? You got this. do a mosh pit by the end of this. Let's go.
We did more dancing, and then it was time to wrap it up.
Now that we're in this feeling good state, I want to encourage everyone to think of one word that they want to bring into their next week or to whenever we meet again. What's one word that you feel inspired to share with everyone? With me, it's my one word is going to be blissfulness. You know, coming up here reminded me so much of why I do these events, and I hadn't had one like almost, it felt a while. So like to come here and have everyone have so much fun, it brings me a lot of bliss, and that's the word I'm going to bring into my next week.
Well, my friend, for me, my word would be positivity.
Open-heartedness.
Limitless. We're all so fucking limitless. We can conquer anything that we want. Look at all the fucking energy we created. Fucking beautiful. Thank you, Beachball. Thank you so much.
Surrender.
Transcendence.
Powerful.
Notice. Playful.
I guess I'll say what's on my mind, and that's refreshed.
Passion.
Connect.
Devotion. Motherfucking magic.
Presence.
Effervescent.
Freedom. Dreaming.
Smiling.
Empowerment.
Interconnectedness.
Effortless. Gratitude.
Consistency.
Self-love.
Gratefulness. There's people all over the world that daydream of shit like this and they may never get to do it. So be grateful for all the shit that you get to do, because that shit is a blessing.
All right, I'm going to keep this short because we want to walk down there, but let's do one more. Put our hands in, and we're gonna put one headset on, one headset off. One headset on, one headset off, so you can hear each other. Okay. What should we yell? What do you guys want to yell?
Wisdom.
Wisdom. Let's do it. All right. Wisdom on 3. 1, 2, 3. Wisdom!